Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be going over our letter G sound. So I have an example of what the letter G looks like up here. I also have some examples of things that start with the letter G, like golf cart, gum, gift, gate, and gloves. So for our I do portion of this lesson, we are going to first listen to our daily alphabet songs. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and now we are going to learn about the letter G using another song. Okay, so based on those two videos that we just watched, what sound does the letter G make? It makes the G sound. Very good. So some words that start with the letter G and have the G sound are words like great, glue, grapes, goat, go, and glasses. And I have an example of all of these here. So for our we do portion of this lesson, together we are going to brainstorm different snacks that begin with the letter G. So can you think of any? Okay, very good. I also have some examples on here that are graham crackers, which are right over here. We have green jello, we have grapes, we have gingerbread, green beans, Gatorade, and granola bars. Now, for the fun part of our lesson, we are going to make our own gummy drops, which kind of resemble these right here. But our gummy drops are only going to be green. So if you want to do this with your parent at home, you will need some green jello powder, some disposable plates, a liquid eyedropper, and some popsicle sticks. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pour the jello powder on the plate, and then using that eyedropper, you're going to drop a drop of water onto the plate and then move it around with the popsicle stick, and you will have your own gummy. Okay, so for the you do independently portion of the lesson, you're going to be completing the following worksheet on your own. You should have this printed out. I emailed it to all your parents. So I'll give you a quick minute to grab that. Okay, now that you have your worksheet, let me explain what it is. So our letter for this lesson today is the letter G. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace it with your finger, and then you're going to color it, and then you're going to trace the G in pencil, and then after that you're going to find it. So I want you to circle all the letter G's that you see, and then I want you to match it. So I want you to match the uppercase G with the lowercase g, whichever one of these that is. And then I want you to challenge yourself and write the letter G. I want you to write it in both capital letters, in both uppercase and lowercase. All right, you guys did wonderful on that. So for our assessment for today, which you cannot have any help from anyone on, you are going to circle the objects that begin with the letter G. Do not forget to put your name and your date, just that we would get you into the habit of doing that. The first one, we kind of gave you a freebie, so we know grapes start with the letter G. They have that G sound. So you can trace this, and then you're going to go through all of these pictures and circle the ones that begin with the letter G. They have the G sound. All right, that is the end of our lesson today. I hope you learned a lot about the letter G, and we will continue our letter discovery within our next lessons.